Hi guys, this is Custodio here, and this is a Postman beginner tutorial, and today we're going to talk about the environment. And the agenda for today, I'm going to make some brief introduction and understand what is a Postman environment, and then we're going to put our hands on and understand how do Postman use the environment. So let's go. Okay guys, so what is a Postman environment? An environment is a set of variables you can use in your Postman requests. So you have here the Postman requests, okay? Let's call it a collection, right? So if an environment is a set of variables that you can use on your Postman request, you have here the environment one with local variables. You can see here that is food, video, console, and notebook. And these variables are repeated on others environment that you have here, environment 2 and environment 3. But the value of these variables are different. You can see here that you have food, bacon and eggs, and you have video on the environment 2, Netflix, and you have console, for example, right? In the environment 3 switch. And all the variables are different because that variable belongs to that specific environment, right? If you want the flexibility to use the same variable with one or more environment with the same value, you have to use the global variables for doing that. So again, an environment is a set of variables. You can check it here, local variables in each environment, right? You can use in your Postman requests. You're gonna use the values of these variables in your requests here, right? So that said, let's put our hands on and understand how do Postman use the environment. Okay, here we are on the Postman UI. So let's understand how do Postman use the environment. For doing that, you can click here on this gear, Manage Environments, right? This dialog box is going to be open to you, right? You can see here, Manage Environment. You can click here on this button, Add, and this option is going to be open to you. Let's add our environment. Let's name it. You can name this environment here to production, right? Production. Or you can use local. Let's use it local environment, right? Let's name it. And knowing that the environment is a set of variables, you can set your variables here, okay? So let's create a variable here. Main website is going to be the name of my variable, and the value, let's name it google.com, and the current value, the same thing, right? google.com. Okay, let's create another one. I'm going to name it Postman, and the value is going to be Postman, and it's going to be Postman here on the current value. So we had created for the local environment two variables, one variable here, main website google.com with the value google.com, another variable Postman with the value Postman here. Okay, you can click here on Add, and you can check here that we just created our local environment. Okay, you can click here on this dialog box, and to check, you can go here on this drop down, click here, and you can check here that our environment was created. Okay, so that's it for today. If you want to receive more content like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.